dropping and left and undone. Hey, every day blending up one. I don't remember the feel of the sun on my face. I keep waking up. Yeah, fuck everything and I'm gone. I got some blood in my grave, my flow. But recently I just don't give a fuck about it now. That's me, you fuck, give a fuck about it, yes. That's me, you fuck, give a fuck about it, yeah. That's me, you fuck, give a fuck about it, yeah. Recently I just don't give a fuck about it now.
Guess what, everybody? I found my favorite shirt. I don't think it's coincidence I got the shirt. Somebody gave it to me. I guess we're going to church. Thank you. Yeah. I think she's here for me. This lady, she knows who I am.
El Señor Jesucristo quiere que tú seas el pueblo de Dios. ¿Y cómo puedes
Daisy, look here.
tu mala manera de vivir? Y Él dice, borrón y cuenta nueva, yo te limpio con esa sangre y hago de ti una nación santa. En el nombre de Jesús. Ven a Cristo. Ven a Cristo, amigo hermano. No endurezcas tu corazón hasta que lleguemos a la medida del Hijo de Dios, a la estatura del varón perfecto.
I wonder if she knew I was walking this way.
Señor Dios bendito, toca Espíritu Santo, toca Espíritu Santo. Espíritu Santo redarguye. Espíritu Santo. Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit.
Señor, redarguye.
Holy
Holy Spirit, redarguye. Holy Spirit. En el nombre de Jesús.
Magic show's been happening everywhere. Magic. Look at this. It's a cult. The red horse of the apocalypse. Jumbo's is a portal.
you could possibly think of to destroy you. Young girls, drugs. They're gonna give you everything that they can give you to destroy you.
So really what you're saying is be celibate and don't do drugs.
They're probably making you celibate. Oh,
I love it. I love it.
Let's do it. What's up, James?
Maybe.
You know what a ghostwriter is?
What?
Somebody that writes music for very famous
Nobody knows who they are.
material on their own.
It looks like horrors to me.
Putting this on your content?
Probably.
I shut mine down.
Your
I
YouTube?
deleted all my videos. What's good? What's good, YouTube? I'm all
Seen it,
fucking
yeah.
start glowing. They got all kind of shit.
I said something about it.
It's like we're playing a game of skate.
What?
Might be a fucking cameraman for the goddamn, for a top secret agent that works for the goddamn United States of America for protecting people and knowing criminals, protect them because the world's gonna get everything about gangs. There's an O right there,
What?
right there.
Oh yeah, like a portal. How much do you think?
Not much.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's one of the ways you go in right there.
What?
In the end of the game, gate 9.
Oh, gate 9.
Way you go up the escalator. We're gonna check it out this week. One video, and the girl was trying to talk to the dude on the phone with Drake. The girl's just waiting on him to say something, and she's like, "Oh my God, you know Drake?" And the dude's like, "Yeah, he's coming to pick me up right now." And the girl will be like, "Oh my God," and then they'll set up a date and shit, and they'll get each other's numbers and shit. And
This is Dillon Ledford. He's my handler, but he won't admit it.
bullshit. Or you would never meet your handler.
He's a friendly handler.
If I ever meet my handler, I'm gonna put a fucking dick in his ass.
Oh, I was on video.
They also control the music industry too. That's why everybody writes about drugs. You don't hear any good rock music anymore, bro.
Well, you will soon. That's how you're not doing.
A day in Miami.
Oh wait, I missed it.
It's just another day in Miami. It's just another lovely day reporting live in Miami.
Zombos. Zombos.
Bye.
Zombos.
Broken in Miami.
Yeah, but not worrying about like, what if Adam does get famous? Because people keep saying that. My friend Phil is in the CIA. Told me I need to start thinking about how I'm gonna brand myself.
What's up, Bessie? Let's see why your haters are hating on you. Why are they haters hating on you? Okay, I feel like you're living rent free in their head. They are anxious about your success. Okay, they having a lot of anxiety, especially the people that try to keep you from achieving those things, try to say rude shit about you. Yeah, they're anxious. They're in their head a lot. They even staying up at night worried about your success. Like, that's crazy. This could be a sister or a mother that I'm seeing, but I'm hearing sister I'm hearing sister, but I'm seeing mother. All right, we have daughter romance. These people are envious of your people that you choose to date, okay? Your romantic suitors, okay? They might not like the people that you choose to date. With the women of holding a coin here, you are powerful, you are independent, you are stable. I feel like as well you're very down to earth. Although that you have a lot of abundance, you still remember where you came from, okay? You remember where you came from. You do not shy away from your roots, all right? And this is what people are envious about. I feel like you bougie, all right? You're very victorious as well. Your prayers have been heard, okay? So know that, period. I feel like as well your haters know that you are bound for success in anything that you do, and this is why they are envious. I feel like anything that you put your mind to, you can do it, okay? You might have had a lot of victories in your past. You're just an overall winner, all right? You're not a sore loser either. I feel like you're somebody who understands sometimes you got to lose to win again, all right? So I don't see you as a sore loser. I feel like as well you don't mind losing. Not that you want to lose, but you don't mind losing, you know? We have daughter spirit. It's your connection to spirit that they are envious of, okay? They could be trying to come in the way of that with this storm warning here. They're trying to cause chaos, okay? They're trying to disconnect you from spirit. So be aware of that, all right? And they know that you're somebody who knows your worth. You know your value, and this is why they're envious. They know that they cannot take advantage of you, so they're going to try to throw little obstacles in your way to keep you from creating that stability. They want to rock that. They want to bring a tornado in and just knock it down, but they can't. They can't. They can't, because what's yours is yours, all right? What's meant for you is meant for you. They might be able to slow it down, but what's meant for you is meant for you, and what is not meant for you just will not be for you. And, you know, I don't think they understand that. They are envious of your patience, your ability to also understand divine timing. You don't rush anything. You try not to force things, because you understand forcing is only going to cause things to blow up. It's going to cause friction. So I feel like you just sit back and allow things to happen naturally in your life, almost in a serendipity way. Like, you're not trying to force nothing, all right? And that's what people are envious about, okay? And your authentic truth, your connection to your throat chakra, all right? So